POv is a choreographic system for generating and organizing movement. To begin the process, each dancer completes a 5-minute free write on a shared formative theme. Examples of shared formative themes include parents, siblings, first pet, and first bedroom. Here, the dancers have written about their earliest memory. From these free writes, each dancer chooses 8 words or phrases. These 8 words or phrases become the source material from which each dancer builds a phrase of movement. With their selected words and phrases in mind, each dancer creates movement material within the boundaries of a shared physical parameter. A shared physical parameter is a guiding restriction which both limits and directs the material the dancers create. In this example, the physical parameter is to dance standing up and to initiate all movement with the hips. Notice that each dancer investigates this parameter in a different way, utilizing it to create their own unique movements. After a period of building material, one completed phrase might look like this. Collectively, this group of dancers has now made 4 phrases of movement. Because all dancers are creating with the same physical parameter, and from the same formative theme, each of their phrases are conceptually and physically in dialogue with one another. Next, a variation on each phrase is created by applying a shared modifying parameter. A shared modifying parameter changes one or more elements of the original phrase and ultimately creates something new. In this example, each dancer modifies their phrase by making it turn. Each dancer is free to interpret this directive however they want. They apply it at their discretion to the original phrase of movement, and in doing so reveal unique and individual approaches to a shared and common challenge. At this stage in the process, the group has now created 8 phrases of movement, 4 that are based on the original free writes, and 4 that are the result of applying a modifying parameter. All of the phrases are connected to one another, sharing a common topic, limitation, and variation. As we continue to develop the POv system, we are working to find ways to organize the generated and modified material on stage. A simple place to begin, in this example, we look at how speed and proximity affect the relationship between the 2 performers and their movements. We could additionally examine how differences in foreground and background, facings, levels, and touch all change and provide a different frame for the material. The final step in developing the POv system is deciding which organizing elements will be included in the piece and in what order. Our aim is to construct the system in such a way that a wide variety of choreographers and dancers can utilize POv to create new works of their own. Each of those new works will be in dialogue with all of the other works created from the POv system. The following is an excerpt from POv.1, a work that we made during the early stages of developing this project.